Let's practice measuring some objects around our home. First, the really long spoon. Why do I have such a long spoon? I don't know.
Let's measure the big spoon. I'm going to call that 19 and 1/16 inches, 48.4 centimeters.
So I'll put the measurements here, 19 and 1/16 inches or 48.4 centimeters. Now for the big spoon that I use to stir the pot of stew.
Let's measure the medium length spoon. (11 and 1/16 inches, 28.1 centimeters.
So I'll put that measurement here, 11 and 1/16 inches or 28.1 centimeters. Finally, let's measure the tablespoon.
Let's measure the small spoon. I say that is 7 and 5/8 inches, 19.4 centimeters.
So I'll put that measurement here, 7 and 5/8 inches or 19.4 centimeters. Now you go ahead, get a tape measure, and practice measuring objects around your house. They don't have to be spoons, but use both sides of the tape measure and make sure to practice using those fractions of an inch.